Okay, well today we're going to be digging up the potatoes. I went through the other day and yesterday, cut down off all the tops. We can still see where they're at, but because the ground underneath is just soaked and we're due for more rain and snow, and I'm afraid my potatoes are just going to rot. And so we're going to go ahead and dig them up today and see what we get. Hopefully a lot. Last year we got 106 pounds of real pretty small potatoes, but the plot was bigger than this. So, and I know the potatoes are a little bigger this year, so we will have to wait and see how many pounds we get. Oh, I see a potato. Right there. The ground is too hard, really, to do the pitchfork method. We still got too much clay and stuff. We gotta still work on our ground here. But at least we're getting potatoes. Yeah, see? Got a lot of rock still that I'm getting out. Another potato. Rock. Another rock. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Still got some more in here. These ones here are Yukon Gold. We have both russet and Yukon Gold planted. Well, he's kind of small, but he'll do. Well, that might be it for this plant. I'm not seeing any more. Nope. Ooh, there's a big rock there, though. Oh. Yeah, let's get that out of here. Okay, that's it for this one. Well, we're making progress. We got 4 rows done. And
more
we've
like
got
5. Considering
5?
all the stuff that's behind you that's done.
Oh, yeah, okay. And then got 2 rows left to do. Coming along. Here in a bit, we'll find out how many potatoes or how many pounds of potatoes that we've got. Okay, second day, and we got it done. This looks good. We're not sure how many we've got yet, but this was the last 2 bags that we filled. And now to go weigh them and find out what we got. See you in a minute. Okay, first potato bag.
Which was the last one we did. It won't stand up.
$11.4. Okay. Next bag. $18.2.
I'm not thinking that was an accurate reading.
18.2, or is that 13?
13.2, but I still don't think it's getting an accurate reading. There, 13.8.
13.8. Okay. Seemed like they were heavier than that. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see, maybe this one will lay down. $10.4. Let's double check it. $10.4. Okay.
This is gonna be the fun one right here.
Yeah. Big bag.
$29.6.
Okay. Move, babe.
Move.
24 even. Yep. Is that all of them?
Nope, there's one more. $25.6.
Okay.
115 pounds even of potatoes.
Okay, let me see.
And that is before we got the volunteers in the other sections.
Right. Okay, grand total is, for right now. Well, here's our potato harvest. Not too bad. Not too bad. A lot of them are small, but, I mean, we didn't do too bad. We got quite a few big ones, but a lot of them were pretty small. I'll use them in soups and stuff, but, you know, not too bad. Not too bad. Now just let them dry, and I'll put them back in the bags and use them for the rest of this year. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.